Yo, what's going on, guys? Solo Warrior here. First of all, got a package, but second of all, freeze rain. But anyways, let's jump into this video. And let's see who it came from. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says Scuff Gaming. Put this on the side, and sorry, my nose is kind of running. But yeah, that's the start. Let's see what I got here. Fabulous. The Scuff One gaming controller. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's have a little look around in this box I came in. This is the cover, I believe. Yep, feels really nice. I'm gonna slide that out of the inner box out. We got a sticker. Hashtag Team Scuff. Oh, this is cool. 2 months or 2 hours? Yeah, 2 days. No wait. Yeah, 2 day. 2 day pass. Xbox Live. We got a little, I guess, guide or features. It's the features. And how to set up your controller if you bought the thing or whatever. That one, I don't know what it's called. The Scuff key. And here we got controller. I didn't really customize the color. Cause yeah, there's no really point. I just got that back grip. Feels really nice. And the paddles. Got 4 paddles. I think this one's A, R, B, X, and Y. Yep. So I'm really happy I got this. On adjustable trigger stops. Really nice, really nice. Got the key right here and some batteries. Really nice box. But anyways, guys, that's about it. I got the Scuff One. Really nice grip in the back. Scuff One right here. I'll turn on the light for you guys. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Peace out. If you enjoy, or leave a like and share if you like, or if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you're new. Peace out, guys.